Hey my nigga bomb, you got another job?
Yeah son, I am working here at Starbucks. Even though before yesterday I never even heard of this place.
Yeah dog. Apparently you are supposed to see girls here, but all I see are women reading and talking about business. That's not my kind nigga, I need a judrat.
Yeah I know what you saying dog. I don't think I can be with the girl from Spain because she is hot and sus is full and not ghetto trash.
Yeah nigga, we have to keep showing how ghetto and retarded we are, with how we talk, act, look, and most important our social skills.
Yeah, taking pride in looking and being some of the most pathetic people in the world is what us ghetto thugs do best, or the only real thing we do at all besides breaking the law.
Yeah dog, even though the rest of society looks down on us and we have no pride or self-respect, we hood niggas to the end.
Yeah son, we still need to convert Sergio and that nigga Tryson to our side, even though they both have social skills and interact with people instead of playing ball.
Yay son, well I better let you go, don't wanna give the establishment a reason to fire you dog.
Don't worry about it based, I estimate that within the next 2 hours I will do or say something so retarded I will get fired anyways. Why? Because I am a most retarded bag of fucks.